Exploring international cuisines from the comfort of your kitchen is a flavorful journey that can transform everyday meals into global experiences. Imagine indulging in the spices of India, the elegance of French pastries, or the vibrant colors of Mexican dishes, all without leaving your home. Cooking with international recipes doesn't just bring new tastes. It also introduces you to fascinating histories, customs, and cooking techniques from around the world. Let's start with India, known for its bold flavors and rich use of spices. Indian cuisine varies dramatically from region to region, but some common elements include spices like cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. A popular dish like chicken tikka masala, although it's often attributed to Indian restaurants in the UK, reflects a traditional blend of spices that have been perfected over generations. Learning to make this dish means learning to balance spices and aromatics to create complex, mouth-watering flavors. With just a few key ingredients, you'll not only learn to make the dish, but also gain insights into the cultural significance of spices in Indian homes. Next, let's journey to Italy, where meals are a celebration of simplicity and quality ingredients. Italian cooking centers on freshness, with an emphasis on herbs like basil and oregano, tomatoes, olive oil, and, of course, pasta. A classic dish like spaghetti carbonara might surprise you with how few ingredients it requires. Eggs, cheese, pancetta, and pasta, but it takes precision to get that creamy sauce just right. As you master Italian recipes, you'll also learn about the Italian philosophy of la dolce vita, or living the good life, where meals are savored slowly and often with loved ones. In Japan, food preparation is treated as an art form, with an emphasis on aesthetics and balance. Japanese cuisine celebrates seasonal ingredients and has a strong focus on umami, or savory flavor, which is found in ingredients like soy sauce, miso, and dashi broth. Sushi is one of Japan's most iconic dishes, but it's far from the only one to explore. From ramen to tempura to delicate matcha desserts, Japanese cuisine encourages you to appreciate subtle flavors and textures. Then there's Mexico, where cooking is vibrant, spicy, and full of life. Mexican cuisine combines indigenous ingredients like corn, chili peppers, and tomatoes with Spanish influences to create hearty and colorful dishes. Making a dish like tacos al pastor, a taco featuring marinated pork, introduces you to bold seasonings and exciting garnishes, including fresh cilantro, onions, and pineapple. Each bite is a journey through Mexico's layered history, blending native traditions with global influences. Cooking international dishes at home is not just about taste. Each meal brings with it a new appreciation for different cultures. Whether you're learning the art of rolling sushi, perfecting a French sauce, or crafting the perfect Mexican salsa, each dish tells a story. You'll gain culinary skills, discover unique ingredients, and understand the cultural meaning behind traditional flavors. So, set out on your own culinary adventure by gathering ingredients, diving into recipes, and savoring the flavors of the world right from your kitchen. Not only will you bring new tastes into your home, but you'll also create lasting memories and maybe even start new family traditions that celebrate the diversity of world cuisine.